Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make Kerala fish curry. It's pretty simple. You need only few ingredients for this. Here I have taken approximately 2 pounds of kingfish or meen in Malayalam. Here I have kudambuli. In English, I think it's called Garcinia Cambogia. But this is the must ingredient. You cannot avoid this. You cannot use the regular tamarind. It is sour in taste, so it gives a special flavor to the curry. It cannot be replaced with the regular tamarind. So I have here taken 4 to 5 kudambuli. Then I've washed it and soaked it in tap water. Here I have 1 half spoon of turmeric powder, mustard seed, 1 teaspoon. Here I have 5 teaspoons of chili powder. So this is not hot chili powder, this is just regular Kashmiri chili. And you want this curry to be a little spicy. If it's bland, it doesn't taste good. Here I have fenugreek powder. This is half teaspoon. Fenugreek I have first roasted and then powdered it coarsely, and this is also a must ingredient. Then here I have chopped some ginger and garlic, approximately 4 to 5 tablespoons of ginger garlic chopped. Here I have curry leaves and then shallots which are finely chopped, and then couple of green chili which I've sliced. Here I have approximately 5 teaspoons of coconut oil. When the coconut oil is hot, I'm going to add the mustard seeds. When mustard seed starts fluttering, you add the onions, shallots, and green chilies. Once the onions become translucent, you can add the chopped ginger garlic. At this stage, you can add curry leaves. Now occasionally stir it till all of this becomes golden brown. So when the onions and the ginger garlic becomes brown, you turn off the heat completely, and then you're going to add all your powders. So first I'm going to add turmeric powder. Then I'm going to add the fenugreek powder. And finally, the chili powder. Okay, now what you have to do is keep the stove in the minimum flame, and then cook it till the oil separates. Keep on stirring in between. Make sure the flame is low. See how the masala has become? It has to turn into a slight darkish, brownish, maroonish color. Till then you have to roast the masala. Some people, what they do is they add tomato puree at this stage, and then roast it with the masala. If you think you don't have much oil and it's starting to burn in the bottom, just add few drops of water, and then on slow flame again start roasting it. It should not burn, but at the same time masalas should roast nicely. Only then it will give the curry a nice reddish brown color. I'm gonna roast it for 5 more minutes, and then I'll see you later. Stay close to the stove. Don't get distracted. Make sure you keep on stirring in between, otherwise it will get burned. See, look at that maroon color. This is exactly what we need. So here I have stirred it for approximately 5 to 6 minutes. At this stage you can add your kodampuli, which I have soaked in water. I'm going to go ahead and add that. Now you can add some more water. All the water that you need for the fish curry you can add. I'm going to add maybe 1 cup more water. Be mindful, you should not add too much of water, otherwise your gravy will become very thin. And remember that fish is also going to leave some water, so don't add too much of water in the beginning stage. The rule of thumb is when you add the fish pieces, the water should slightly be above the fish level. That's it, not more than that. Okay, now let this maybe a little more water. Okay, that's it. Don't be tempted to add too much of water, please. If you need water, you can add it at the later stage. Okay, now we're gonna let this boil, and then once it starts boiling, then we're gonna add our fish pieces. Okay, at this, now the gravy started boiling. At this stage we're gonna add salt. Salt to your taste. Okay, might need a little more salt. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to add the pieces. Very careful when you, because fish can break easily. So once it starts cooking, you should not use this spatula anymore. So you arrange the fish in such a way that it is covered with the masala or the gravy. Okay. Once it starts boiling, you will reduce the flame to low and let it cook for approximately 20 minutes. Fish cooks really fast, so 20 minutes should be enough. And then in between, you need to move it around a little bit. I'll show you how to do that. You should never use a spatula from now onwards. Otherwise the fish pieces will break. Okay, let's cover it up now. Okay, it has been 2 minutes now. Let's open and see. Okay, see, look at the water, look at the amount of water. So that's what I was telling you, you have to be careful when you add water. So this is how you're going to mix it. Do this. So from this stage onwards, you're going to do it 2 to 3 times, this shaking motion this way, clockwise. You can check the salt at this stage. Everything tastes fine. Okay, now let's close it and leave it for 10 more minutes. In between, once or twice, you can just give that shake again. So it's been 20 minutes. This is how it looks after 20 minutes. I'm gonna give it one more shake. Now the gravy has thickened, you can see. Look, the gravy has thickened. Now after it cools down, the gravy is going to thicken some more. So at this stage, I think we are done. The pieces have nicely cooked. Doesn't take too much time for the fish to cook. Okay. Now you can add some fresh curry leaves. And then turn off the heat, turn off the stove. So the fish curry is ready. Hope you all will give it a try, and please post your comments and feedbacks. It's a very simple dish. I hope everyone will give it a try. Thank you.